Estée Lauder is renowned for its high-quality makeup products that enhance natural beauty. Their foundation and concealer lines offer a wide range of shades for various skin tones, providing excellent coverage and a flawless finish. Their eyeshadows and lipsticks come in rich, pigmented colors to create stunning looks. Estée Lauder's makeup products are also known for their long-lasting formulas and luxurious packaging, making every application a glamorous experience, whether you're looking for everyday makeup or special occasion products. Estée Lauder has something to help you discover your unique beauty. Estée Lauder's journey into the world of beauty began with a dream and a handful of products. Estée herself was a passionate and determined woman who believed in the transformative power of makeup. Her early creations, such as the Super Rich All-Purpose Creme and the Creme Pack, were instrumental in establishing the brand's reputation for quality skincare. But it was her venture into makeup that truly set Estée Lauder apart. At the heart of any makeup routine lies the foundation, and Estée Lauder's commitment to creating the perfect canvas for makeup is evident in their extensive range of foundations. To complement their range of foundations, Estée Lauder offers a collection of concealers that expertly hide imperfections, blemishes, and dark circles. The Double Wear Instant Fix Concealer is a favorite among makeup enthusiasts for its ability to provide full coverage without caking or settling in. One standout feature of Estée Lauder's foundations is their exceptional coverage. The formulas are designed to provide a flawless finish while remaining lightweight and comfortable on the skin. To complement their range of foundations, Estée Lauder offers a collection of concealers that expertly hide imperfections, blemishes, and dark circles. It's a testament to the brand's dedication to creating makeup that not only enhances beauty but also cares for the skin. Estée Lauder understands that the eyes are often the focal point of a makeup look. Their eyeshadow palettes are carefully curated with a mix of matte and shimmer shades, allowing for endless possibilities when creating captivating eye looks. The right lip color can completely change your look. And Estée Lauder offers an impressive array of lip products to suit every style. From their classic Pure Color Envy lipstick collection to the High Shine Pure Color Envy High Luster Light Sculpting Lipstick, there's a shade and finish for every occasion. One of the hallmarks of Estée Lauder makeup is its longevity. Whether you're attending a long day at the office or a glamorous evening event, you can trust that your makeup will stay in place. Estée Lauder's commitment to skincare is evident in the way they infuse skincare benefits into their makeup products. The Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Makeup, for instance, is not just a foundation, but also a hydrating, SPF-infused formula that nourishes and protects your skin. In recent years, the beauty industry has made strides toward inclusivity and diversity, and Estée Lauder has been at the forefront of this movement. Their foundation shade ranges are expansive, catering to a wide spectrum of skin tones. Estée Lauder understands that makeup is not just about the product itself, but also the experience of using it. The brand's packaging exudes elegance and sophistication. In a world where trends come and go, Estée Lauder makeup stands as a symbol of timeless beauty. Estée Lauder makeup is more than just cosmetics. It's a testament to the enduring pursuit of beauty and self-expression. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or someone looking to enhance your everyday look, Estée Lauder offers a world of possibilities.